Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a cute cartoon watermelon popsicle. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our fun summer watermelon popsicle, let's begin by making the sides. So I'm going to start right here, and let's just make a nice diagonal line that's going to come down to here. And then let's do the exact same thing on this side. Just make a nice diagonal line, making it kind of pointy at the top. Now from here to here, we want to make a nice big smiley face shape. So we're just going to go down, and then we just want to bring this up to this end. Now, right here, we're gonna make the second part, so it kind of looks like it's got that little bit of the outside of the watermelon. So we're just gonna make that exact same shape. We're just gonna go down and then bring it right up to here. Now, I like to make this look a little bit 3D. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a little line here, and then I'm gonna make a little line right here. You can see it kind of, this one went down a little bit and this one went up a little bit. Then I'm just gonna make a nice diagonal line that just comes right to here to connect it. Then let's just go ahead and draw a little diagonal line there to kind of continue that little part. Now let's make the popsicle stick. So to do this, we're just gonna draw down, and I'm gonna go kind of out. I'm gonna curve this around and then bring it in. That way it looks like the bottom is a little bit bigger than the top. Then, since we made this 3D, I wanna make this look 3D. So I'm just gonna kind of bring this line up and right to here. Now, I want to add just a funny little face onto here. So what I'm going to do is let's begin by making a circle right here for one of the eyes. And then let's make another circle over here. Trying your best to keep them about the same size, and it's totally okay if you can't. Now, up here, let's draw a circle. And let's do that same thing over here. Let's make a circle. This will be like the reflection. Then down here, let's make a smaller circle for that other reflection. Then right inside of here, let's just make a little smiley face for the mouth. Now the last thing, we want to make it look like it has seeds on here. So I'm just going to go and make a little oval shape here. Then I'm going to put a little oval shape here, and then one right here too, just to make it look like it has some little seeds on there. And there you go, there's your drawing of a cute little fun summer watermelon popsicle. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.